If we have a triangle with vertices at x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, we want to show that the area is calculated by this equation. If you want to solve the problem yourself, please pause the video. Let's draw an arbitrary triangle on the xy axis. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and let's have a triangle like this. And this vertex is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And this is x3 and y3. Now, if you want to calculate the area of triangle, we can calculate the area of the red trapezoid, which is this one, and the area of the purple trapezoid, and add them together, and then subtract from them the area of the yellow trapezoid, like this. So let's just do this calculation and see how the result will be. The area of the triangle S will be area of the red trapezoid, which is 1/2 x2 minus x1 times y2 plus y1, plus area of the purple trapezoid, which is x3 minus x2 times y3 plus y2, minus the area of the yellow trapezoid, which is x3 minus x1 times y3 plus y1. Now we can simplify this by factoring out 1/2 and then doing the multiplications. So we get x2 multiplied by y2 plus x2 y1, and then minus x1 y2 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3 plus x3 y2 minus x2 y3 minus x2 y2, and then minus x3 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3 minus x1 y1. Then we can simplify this further. This x2 y2 will cancel with this x2 y2. x3 y3 will cancel with x3 y3, and x1 y1 will cancel with x1 y1. Just note that there is a negative sign here. So this is going to be 1/2. And if we look at the original expression for a moment, we need to factor x3 from x3 y2 and x3 y1. So we will have x3 times y2, which is this term, minus y1, which is this term. And then we need to do the same for x1, plus x1 y2 minus y2, and then we need an x1 y1 term. So we don't have an x1 y1 term here, but we can add and subtract x1 y1. So we do plus x1 y1 minus x1 y1, or equivalently we could have not canceled these two terms before. So we have x1 y1 from this term. Then we need to factor x2. So we will get x2 times y1 from this term minus y3 from this term. And then lastly, we need to factor x1. So plus x1 y3 from this term, and this negative sign will go with this negative sign, minus y1. Now we're gradually converging to the expression that we were looking for. We can rewrite this as x3 minus x1 times y2 minus y1 from these two terms. And we can also write plus x2 minus x1 times y1 minus y3. Or equivalently, we can write x3 minus x1, y2 minus y1 minus x2 minus x1, y3 minus y1. And this is the equation that we are looking for. If you like this problem or similar problems, please consider subscribing to the channel or giving it a thumbs up and sharing these with others who might be interested. Thank you.